Alright, space fans, let's buckle up and take a step-by-step journey to one of my absolute favorite destinations in the solar system, Mars. This is the red planet up close, and by the end of these 3 minutes, you'll know why it's captivated scientists and dreamers for centuries. First things first, Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, sitting about 142 million miles away from Earth. It's smaller than our planet, roughly half the diameter, and its gravity is just 38% of what you feel at home. So, yes, you'd be able to jump 3 times higher on Mars, which is pretty awesome. Now, why is it called the red planet? That famous rusty color comes from iron oxide. Basically, Mars is covered in a thin layer of reddish dust. If you stood on the surface, you'd see a desert landscape stretching in all directions with giant volcanoes, deep canyons, and polar ice caps. Let's talk weather. Don't pack your swimsuit. Mars is a cold one. Average temperatures hover around minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and the atmosphere is super thin. Mostly carbon dioxide, not breathable for us. Dust storms can cover the entire planet and last for weeks, making Martian weather unlike anything we get on Earth. Now, the terrain is wild. Mars is home to Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. There's also Valles Marineris, a canyon system that would stretch all the way across the United States if it was on Earth. But maybe the coolest thing? Scientists think Mars once had rivers, lakes, and maybe even an ocean. We see dried-up riverbeds and minerals that form in water, suggesting that billions of years ago, Mars might have looked a lot more like Earth. So is there life on Mars? That's still the big question. We haven't found any little green aliens, but our robotic explorers, like Curiosity, Perseverance, and the InSight lander, are hunting for clues. They're drilling into rocks, analyzing soil, and even taking samples that might one day come back to Earth. And yeah, humans are next. NASA and other space agencies are planning missions that could put people on Mars in the next couple of decades. Imagine standing on the surface, looking up at a tiny blue dot in the sky. That's home. The idea of becoming a multi-planet species isn't just sci-fi anymore. So that's Mars, red, rugged, mysterious, and maybe, just maybe, our future second home. If you love space as much as I do, keep looking up, and keep wondering what's waiting for us out there. Catch you in the next one.